Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a DSTV Explora stuck on the loading screen in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do, you need to simply restart your decoder properly. Sometimes the system gets stuck during the boot due to a temporary software glitch, and a proper restart is going to clear it. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to switch off the decoder using the power button or the wall switch. After that, you need to remove the power cable completely. Then you just have to do nothing but to just wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds. After this time duration, you just have to basically plug it back in and then you need to turn it on. Wait for the loading screen to complete and see if the issue is still there or if it fixed. If the issue persists, you can just simply try a second fix in which you just have to check the satellite signal. If the signal is weak or missing, the decoder may freeze while loading the channels. So in order to check this out, you just have to simply press the menu button on your remote. As soon as you press the menu button on the remote, it is going to basically redirect you inside your DSTV satellite settings. In the satellite settings, you will see a bunch of different options. So among these, you just have to look for the option of signal strength. Now, after looking for the signal strength, if you see that the signal is low, you can check the dish alignment or the cable connection. Now, sometimes the loose or the damaged cables can also stop the decoder from loading properly. So you can check the satellite cable, which is the LNB cable at the back of the decoder. Just make sure that it is tightly connected. Inspect for any cuts or damage and also check the power cable connection. So you can try these few fixes and see if it is still stuck on the loading screen or if it is fixed. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.